class. Now the next part of this, after we've drilled the holes, if you saw before we drilled the hole, on the early part of here, video part 4, now we're going to attach our vellum to the back of the picture itself, and now we're going to use a little air nailer stapler to staple this all in place, and that should be the next final steps. Alright, stay with me. So this part here, I'm just going to take my vellum, try to set it down on the image there. So all I'm pretty much going to use here, I'm just going to use Scotch tape. Just going to do Scotch tape down. Alright, so this next part here, we're going to use our electric nailer, and we're going to try to staple or nail this to the frame. Right, my plate is not perfect with it, but I'm happy enough with it. Alright guys, that's kind of what they look like on the wall. So that's a finished product of the original one that I was using. I'm showing you parts 1, 2, and 3. So I think it turned out really good. I'm really happy with it. Alright class, so that's it for our wall light project. Thanks for joining me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. A little bit, you know, what else can we do with the COVID shutdown? So I at least hope you enjoyed the series of making the wall light. Hopefully you got something out of it. You know, if not, well, at least you got some sort of entertainment. We'll see you guys when we come back, hopefully. And do that. Bring with that. So, Merry Christmas.